There are many simple analyses in Microsoft Excel, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. And all of simple analysis can be entered in formula bar or directly into the cell, as mentioned inside slide. In addition, simple analysis can be done directly from AutoSum functions in toolbar. This slide shows addition formula from AutoSum functions, while this slide shows addition formula by typing directly into the cell. And this slide shows the values of addition formula. In details, this slide shows the formula in cell A3 refers to the value in cell A1 plus the value in cell A2, as mentioned in first figure, and the formula calculates and displays the answer to the equation A1 plus A2, as mentioned in figure 2, and the formula automatically recalculates when the value of a referenced cell is changed, as mentioned in figure 3. In the same way, this formula shows add the values in cell B2 on each worksheet, from sheet 2 through sheet 3. This slide shows how to create division formula, while this slide shows how to combine addition formula with division formula. And this slide shows how to combine subtraction formula with division formula. Finally, this slide shows how to combine multiplication formula with addition and subtraction formula.